Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me again, Urdu Fashion World. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe to it and hit the bell icon. You can find every upcoming video easily. So let's start our video. In today's video, I have bought neckline design ideas for you. Watch my video till end. Try not to skip this video. This was helpful for you. So let's start our video. Neck designs are popular fashion element in clothing, especially in traditional Indian wear like sarees, salwar suits and lehengas, etc. These designs play a critical role in enhancing the overall appearance of the outfit. Here are some common neck designs found in traditional Indian clothing. Round neck, a simple, classic circular neckline that suits most body types and can be adorned with embroidery or embellishment. V neck, this neckline dips down in the front, forming a V shape. It's a versatile design and can be deep or shallow, depending on personal preferences. Boat neck, a wide neckline that turns horizontally from shoulder to shoulder, resembling the shape of a boat. It adds an elegant touch to the attire. Square neck, this neckline forms a square shape and a unique as less common designs that can be quite flattering. Collar neck, inspired by western collared shirts. This design features a collar that can be buttoned up or left open, adding a modern twist or traditional outfits. Mandarin collar, also known as the Chinese collar, this stand-up collar has a short and unfold design that adds a touch of sophistication to the garment. Halter neck, a sleeveless neckline that ties around the neck, leaving the shoulders and back mostly exposed. It's a glamorous choice for the modern occasions. Keyhole neck, this neckline features a small rounded of a teardrop opening just below the collarbone, adding a stubble and stylish detail to the outfit. Scoop neckline, sweetheart neckline, asymmetric neck. Fashion made trends may evolve over time, so it's always best to stay updated with the latest designs and styles in the fashion world. These are just few examples of many neck designs available in traditional wear. So we met in next video. Allah Hafiz.